In today's fast-paced world, women have a lot on their plate. From juggling careers, families, and personal responsibilities, it's no wonder that hormonal imbalances can occasionally throw a wrench into their well-being. Thankfully, there is an ally in the form of ethinyl estradiol tablets. These small but mighty pills work behind the scenes to regulate hormones and restore balance, helping women feel their best. With our brand voice centered on empowerment and self-care, we understand the importance of taking control of one's health. Our ethinyl estradiol tablets are meticulously formulated, adhering to the highest quality standards and backed by scientific research. Intended for women experiencing hormone-related issues, our tablets provide a safe and effective solution that aims to alleviate symptoms and improve overall well-being. From managing irregular menstrual cycles to reducing the severity of acne breakouts, ethinyl estradiol tablets offer a comprehensive approach to women's health. Say goodbye to mood swings, bloating, and painful cramps with these hormone-regulating powerhouses. Don't let hormonal imbalances hold you back. Discover the transformative benefits of ethinyl estradiol tablets and reclaim control of your life. Understanding hormonal balance and its importance for women's health. Hormonal balance plays a crucial role in women's health. The endocrine system, responsible for producing and regulating hormones, controls various bodily functions, including metabolism, reproduction, mood, and energy levels. When the delicate balance of hormones is disrupted, women may experience a range of symptoms that affect their physical and emotional well-being. Common hormonal imbalances in women. There are several common hormonal imbalances that women may encounter, each with its own set of symptoms and effects on overall health. One prevalent condition is polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, which affects approximately 10% of women of childbearing age. PCOS can lead to irregular menstrual cycles, fertility issues, weight gain, and excessive hair growth. Another common hormonal imbalance is estrogen dominance, wherein the levels of estrogen outweigh progesterone, leading to symptoms such as breast tenderness, mood swings, and heavy periods. The role of ethinyl estradiol tablets in hormonal balance. Ethinyl estradiol tablets belong to a class of medications known as combined oral contraceptives. These tablets contain both ethinyl estradiol, a synthetic form of estrogen, and a progestin hormone. By introducing these hormones into the body, ethinyl estradiol tablets help to regulate and balance hormone levels. The estrogen component helps to stabilize the menstrual cycle, reduce the severity of PMS symptoms, and improve acne breakouts. The progestin hormone works to counteract the effects of estrogen dominance, promote a regular menstrual cycle, and prevent the growth of abnormal cells in the uterus. Benefits and risks of using ethinyl estradiol tablets. The benefits of using ethinyl estradiol tablets for hormonal balance in women are numerous. They can help regulate menstrual cycles, reduce the severity of PMS symptoms, and alleviate the discomfort associated with conditions like PCOS. Additionally, these tablets have been found to improve acne breakouts, making them a popular choice for women struggling with hormonal-related skin issues. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks associated with using ethinyl estradiol tablets. Like any medication, there can be side effects and contraindications. Women who smoke, have a history of blood clots or certain types of cancer, or are over the age of 35 may be at a higher risk of complications. It is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any medication, including ethinyl estradiol tablets, to assess individual risks and benefits. How to determine if ethinyl estradiol tablets are right for you. Deciding whether ethinyl estradiol tablets are the right choice for managing hormonal balance is a personal decision that should be made in consultation with a healthcare professional. They will evaluate your medical history, current health status, and any existing conditions to determine if ethinyl estradiol tablets are a suitable option. It is important to provide accurate information about your health and discuss any concerns or questions you may have. Proper usage and dosage of ethinyl estradiol tablets. To achieve optimal results and minimize potential risks, it is crucial to follow the proper usage and dosage instructions for ethinyl estradiol tablets. These tablets are typically taken once a day, at the same time each day, preferably with food to enhance absorption. It is important to adhere to the prescribed dosage and not to skip or double doses unless instructed otherwise by a healthcare professional. Consistency and adherence to the recommended schedule are key to ensuring the effectiveness of ethinyl estradiol tablets. Potential side effects of ethinyl estradiol tablets. As with any medication, ethinyl estradiol tablets can have side effects. Common side effects may include nausea, breast tenderness, headaches, and changes in menstrual bleeding patterns. These side effects are generally mild and tend to resolve on their own. However, if they persist or become severe, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional. In rare cases, ethinyl estradiol tablets can increase the risk of more serious conditions such as blood clots, stroke, or liver problems. It is essential to be aware of these potential risks and to seek immediate medical attention if any concerning symptoms arise. Alternative treatment options for hormonal imbalances in women. While ethinyl estradiol tablets can be an effective option for managing hormonal imbalances, there are alternative treatment options available as well. Some women may prefer non-hormonal approaches, such as lifestyle changes, dietary modifications, and herbal supplements. Others may opt for different hormonal therapies, such as progestin-only pills or hormone replacement therapy, HRT. The choice of treatment depends on individual preferences, medical history, and the advice of a healthcare professional. Consulting with a healthcare professional about ethinyl estradiol tablets. Before starting any medication, including ethinyl estradiol tablets, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They will assess your medical history, perform a thorough evaluation, and provide personalized recommendations based on your individual needs. A healthcare professional can help determine if ethinyl estradiol tablets are the right choice for managing hormonal imbalances and guide you through the proper usage, potential risks, and any necessary precautions. Conclusion: empowering women to make informed decisions about their hormonal health. Hormonal imbalances can significantly impact a woman's quality of life, but with ethinyl estradiol tablets, there is hope for restoring balance and alleviating symptoms. These tablets offer a comprehensive approach to women's health, addressing issues such as irregular menstrual cycles, PMS symptoms, acne breakouts, and more. However, it is important to make an informed decision and consult with a healthcare professional to determine if ethinyl estradiol tablets are the right choice for you. By taking control of your hormonal health, you can reclaim your life and embrace a future of balance, well-being, and empowerment.